Sairam dear children, today I am teaching cooking food class 3 EVS part 1 chapter 10. So let us have the introduction of the lesson cooking food. So see this picture children, this is cooking food or what we call, we'll cook this food and some of them are raw food, we may not cook also. Okay, so cooking food. We consume different food items in our diet. Some of them need to be cooked while some do not. I showed you raw food and cooked food. So it also kills the germs present in the food. All the foods are not cooked by same method. There are different ways of cooking food. So let us know about them. So before getting to that topic, I'll tell you one story. So in early man ate raw flesh. One day a piece of raw meat accidentally dropped into the fire. So before he could take it out, it was cooked. So and tasted better. So they were eating raw flesh. So after they felt very tasty when it is cooked in the fire. Understood? So now let us get into different ways of cooking. The ways of cooking food sometimes vary according to the taste of a person, while sometimes according to the health and age. It may differ, okay, for like small baby we may cook differently, or for the old people we may cook differently, okay. Thus the food can be cooked in the following ways. First one is boiling. So boiling means to cook with water. Boiling means to cook with water. We use water here. Foods like rice, pulses, potatoes, eggs, etc. are sometimes cooked by boiling them in water. So boiled food is good for the health of old people, grandmother, grandfather. For them a boiled food is very healthy. Okay, understood? So next we have steaming. Steaming means to cook with the help of steam. Like idlis, doklas and momos are some steamed foods. We steam. How we prepare idli, no? Like that we will prepare the food using steaming. Okay? Understood? Okay. Next we have frying. We all like this, no? Frying. So frying means to cook in hot oil, like puris, pakoras and samosas are cooked in deep frying. Understood? This is masala vada. Okay. So next, baking. It is the process of cooking food in an oven. So here we bake cakes and breads in the oven. Understood? So next we have roasting. What is roasting? Roasting means to cook food over direct heat or in an oven. So papad and bread toast are often roasted like this. See, bread roast like this. Okay. So before that you should know one important point, that we should always wash fruits, vegetable, whether it is rice, pulses, so etc. properly before cooking them. Okay, there are many different ways of cooking. So before cooking we should wash the fruits and vegetables and also rice, pulses, all these things. Okay. So in summary, different ways of cooking: boiling, steaming, frying, baking, roasting. Okay. Question section. Boiling means to cook with dash. Second one, steaming means to cook with the help of dash. Third one, frying means to cook in hot dash. Fourth question, baking is the process of cooking food in dash. Fifth one, roasting means to cook food over direct dash. Understood, children? Write down all these questions in your classwork, find out the answers in video and write down. Okay?